Shiba Inu coin holders, I've got a video for you. It is the new year. Altcoin season is heating up. We're getting ready to see an absolute massive move to the upside, or is now a time to sell? Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm maxi, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I'm going to be talking about Shiba Inu and where I think this market is going to be headed here. I do think we're starting to heat up, so hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video. Okay, guys, so we are looking at the Shiba Inu chart right now, and we are obtaining this trend line. We have it nice and in our grasp. We're just bouncing off of it, getting ready to go to the upside here. We're seeing quite a nice bounce across the board, across the entire cryptocurrency asset class right now. But is it time to celebrate, or is it time to be cautious? I'm going to give you guys my opinion here. I do think, though, regardless of what's to happen, that right now is potentially a good time to be buying that dip. I do think that altcoin season is getting ready to go absolutely wild. So if you agree with that and you want to buy that dip, then check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. Sign up to Blowfin. You get a $5,000 sign bonus, as well as 10% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account. No other exchange is offering this, guys. I really recommend you sign up to this right now because I don't know when this link is going to expire. So check it out right now. And let's really get into Shiba Inu and where we're headed here, because we're getting a little bit of relief right now after weeks of holiday, strange price action. Now people are coming back, sitting down at their computers, and we're starting to see some price action develop here. So we're looking at Shiba Inu, rank 16, down about 3.5% in the past 7 days, up about 3% in the past 24 hours. Sitting at about a $12.86 billion market cap. I believe the all-time high for our market cap this cycle was about $16 billion. But guys, the volume down 393 million. Be prepared to see that uptick here very shortly, because I do think that we are getting ready to see some big moves. If you follow me at 333 maxi on Twitter, I say enter stage right, the third and final year of the bull market. In my videos over the past couple of days, I've been talking about the new yearly candle closure. And if you look at the previous years, usually we have 3 bullish years followed by a bearish year, then 3 bullish years followed by a bearish year. And guys, well, we just closed our second candle closure in the bullish year, so 2025 should be quite a bullish year, in my opinion. And usually you see it's like a sell-off for a year, then you have recovery, and then the next phase is phase 1 of the bull, and then phase 3 is usually altcoin season, guys. When you look at the entire market right now, Bitcoin's trading at $94,800. We're starting to see a little bit of relief here. Ethereum at about 3,400. But Bitcoin dominance, guys, this is what we need to be talking about. You know, I've been seeing some comments and people saying, maxi, you talked about Bitcoin for 50% of the video. Why? We thought this was a Shiba Inu video, or I thought this was a Pepe video. Right now, it's extremely important, guys, that we are looking at Bitcoin and Bitcoin dominance. If you are a Shiba Inu bull, you need to be paying attention to this. Otherwise, you're going to get caught. You're either going to panic sell, or you're going to get caught holding that bag, and you're going to hold too long, and you're going to get absolutely wrecked, okay, guys? So we need to be talking about Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin if you want to succeed throughout this market, guys, if you want to make it out alive. So Bitcoin dominance, 56.33%. Excluding stablecoins, are basically at 58.33%. You know, Bitcoin is at a very key pivotal point I've been talking about for a while. We have some signals on the daily saying that, okay, we should be seeing a little bit of a bottom. We're seeing a buy signal on Market Cipher. You can't see that. Let me move that over for you guys. You see a little green dot buy signal on Market Cipher. But guys, we're still not out of the woods. We really need to be closing above $88,000 to $85,000 on the daily, weekly, monthly time frame for me to say, okay, we're getting ready for massive altcoin season right now, okay? Now, if we break below those levels between 88 and 85, then I'll say, well, maybe we see altcoin season push further down the road into, say, Q4 2025, or maybe it doesn't start happening until the end of Q1 2025. But right now, we're waiting for Bitcoin to make a decision, and we're getting a little bit of a bounce right now. When you look at Bitcoin dominance, we are testing an extremely important level. We tested the top of the rising wedge I've been talking about on the channel for a while now, breaking down, and we're testing a very, very important level at 57.26%, okay? We want it to break down. If we clear this level, this yellow line about 57.26%, really we're going to come and test the blue line, and we'll probably break right through this, because this is an indication this is going to be a lower high bearish signal. We should expect to break down below. And guys, if we break down below this yellow line, all right, I want you to understand this. We're basically going to free fall, and we're going to free fall our way into the 40% territory. And when you see that, that's when you expect Shiba Inu to make all-time highs. That's when you expect retail FOMO to come buying up the bags and really, I'll say it, the exit liquidity coming in. That's what you should expect. We have not had altcoin season just yet, guys. I do want to show you this too. This is a little bit of an interesting thing I noticed about Bitcoin dominance. Look at the monthly. We'll take off log. If you look at this, I'm struggling here, guys. Give me a second. We'll take off Hike and Shi as well. Look at this. It's very similar, you know. We over on Crypto Twitter, I showed you that the 3 years of bullish price action followed by 1 year of selling off. Well, guys, we had our, it's just basically inverse of the Bitcoin chart when you're looking at Bitcoin dominance. You have the 3 years of bullish price action, okay? Then you have the brutal year of selling off. But this year of brutal sell-offs for Bitcoin dominance is when you see those massive gains for altcoins, guys. The time is around the corner. Be very, very diligent here, guys. You need to be keeping your eyes open. You need to be locked in if you want to make it out of this crypto cycle alive with profits. Hold on to those profits, guys. You need to be paying attention to this. If you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I've been with you guys throughout all the bull market, all the bear market. I'm going to still be here next bear market and next bull market. So if you want to see more of this, please hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell. But so where is Shiba Inu? When that retail FOMO comes in, I do believe we're going to be testing all-time highs. Shiba Inu is sitting at rank 16, guys. When you see retail FOMO come in, the top 100 coins are going to get inflated. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. When altcoin season happens, the top 100 will inflate significantly. And Shiba Inu is not going anywhere, guys. Be paying very close attention to this because I do think that Shiba Inu can perform well. If we can really, if Bitcoin really pushes down to say the end of 2025 into Q4, and that's when we see our last leg to the upside, the blow off top, you see altcoin season go wild. There's a good chance that if we have another year of this price action, that we could see a 10x on Shiba Inu. We could maybe see a $120 billion market cap for Shiba Inu. I'm not surprised if that happens. I'm not surprised if we see a $100 billion Pepe. I'm not surprised if that happens. 10x across the board is very possible. Bitcoin strategic reserves, guys. That has been my fundamental analysis. If that does go through, you should expect altcoin season to go wild. You should expect Bitcoin to go wild. You should expect literally trillions of dollars coming into this space. It's an exciting time. But guys, that's all I got for you. If you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you think that Shiba Inu will 10x from here? Do you think that altcoin season is going to happen Q1 in the next couple months here? Or do you think it's going to not happen until Q4? We're going to have a long year of sideways grinding up to the upside and slowly breaking down for Bitcoin dominance. I'm very curious. That's all I got. Follow me, 333 maxi on Twitter and Instagram, as well as check out that awesome Blowfin link down below. Get that $5,000 sign bonus, as well as 10% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account. No other exchange is offering that. I'll see you next one, guys. Bye.